say the situation got to the point with me where there's this great shot of Ward Green when he was a young reporter, about 1920 is what the photograph that Eddie bought online says it is. I think it's a little earlier than that. Looks like about 1918. And I used it as an inset on the Mad Hatter Cafe, which was the speakeasy that Margaret Mitchell used to go to, that Ward Green used to go to as well in Atlanta. And I made up the Mad Hatter. No, it wasn't the Mad Hatter. It was the what's the other one?
March Hare?
March Hare, yes. Thank you. The March Hare Cafe. And Carson did a great job on my fake speakeasy and did the inset picture of Ward Green, and it just doesn't look like the picture of Ward Green. So that's one of those, well, what are you going to do? Am I going to double back and redo any drawings and that, I didn't think Carson got it. Like, not only doesn't it really look like Al Williamson, it doesn't look like the photograph. And if I don't do that, then I'm not doing what I said I was going to do with Strange Death of Alex Raymond, which is don't let go of it until it's exactly the way that you want it to be. And those are the things that I was getting bogged down in. But I really think that most people are just being polite. Like, I'm a huge High Society fan, a huge Church and State fan. My interest in Cerebus fades towards the end of Church and State, and I haven't even read much past that. But those books are my favorite, absolute favorite graphic novels of all time. So I feel like I owe it to Dave Sim to support whatever he's going to do. Believe me, I appreciate anybody doing that, saying, I really, really want to support Dave Sim if this is what he wants to work on. But don't force yourself to read it. It's like, if you bought it, and particularly if you paid the premium price of $50 for the fundraising edition, and you get it, and you read the first 8 pages, and your eyes are glazing over, and you're doing that thing of, okay, I'll read another 10 pages, and then you're consciously flipping, going, how much more of there is this that I have to read? It's like, you don't have to read it. The fact that you bought it means a great deal to me. Don't pretend that you're interested if you're not interested. That's one of the things that an art patron is for, as far as I'm concerned. So, I really think that having made that offer, the number of people, if all of the Patreon patrons and whoever else read all 277 pages, there'll probably be about 8 people that would be interested. Eddie was about, as far as I knew, about the only one who was interested when Glamour Puss was coming out. He was about the only one that wrote to me. And then, I find out that, no, Carson was reading Glamour Puss. And this was about the only thing that he was interested in working on in comics. This is what I'm interested in comics. This is about the only thing being done in this area. So, yeah, I'd like to work on it. And it's like, I only heard from the 2 guys that, were interested in like I stopped drawing again. And this year I started going, well, what the hell happened there? It's like I did a fair amount of drawing in a short space of time, but I don't remember why I'm not drawing now. And so as soon as I had decided, okay, I'm not going to be mocking up Strange Death of Alex Raymond pages anymore. Never say never. Maybe I will. Depends on whether I think that's the best way to get it down on paper for posterity. As soon as because it was always, okay, anything where it feels like it's seriously going wrong with the wrist, you're going to have to back off because you've got to save it for Strange Death of Alex Raymond. However many drawings you've got left, there is stuff that you have to, in quotation marks,